This is that hard anti-fouling I was telling you about. You have to paint it over the top of the black tar epoxy before it gets too hard. This is, and they tell me I don't need my gun?
No.
You sure I don't need my gun?
Yeah, well, you know, I don't know if that's a gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That is a gun.
Well, we'll hear sirens pretty soon, but that's a lot. Sounds like a running gun battle.
In my life, I've had a gun stuck in my face
Steve? I'm not
twice.
serious. It just follows you around.
It may be. I think I should head to the RV.
And you might check it for bullet holes. Maybe it'll fall under my homeowner's insurance.
How thick do you want that?
Well, I'd like it to be at least 7 or 8. I'm not there yet. It's going on real thin. Huh?
We just have a drive-by shooting.
Other street, not us.
Yeah. I think you did. I was assured that I didn't need to wear my sidearm that I always wear.
South, due south.
Southeast.
Traveling eastward.
I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back if I have to go take cover.
Yeah. You can hear them. They're a little bit late, but they're on their way.
We just finished spraying 12 gallons of anti-fouling paint on. It's pretty good. This whole boat's resting on 3 points, like under the rudder post, one on each keel. See up underneath there. Pretty cool design. There's the owner of the boat. Say hello, Doug.
Hello, Doug. How you doing?
He minds very well.